Go shut it.
Can you open this for mommy? Can you open that for mommy? Did you hear that? That's what she was saying in the store. A phone.
She went to go shut it again.
What's that? Go show Dada what you got. Harmon, look what else is in here. What is that? Me and Sammy sing. Let me see. Here, mommy hold it for you. What's that? Let me see. Crabs. Come on, Harmony, look. Harmony, look. Harmony, look.
Come on, just pull out the Easter basket. I only got 51 minutes left.
Let's go bring it by Dada. Carry it, mommy. Go bring it by Dada. And let's go show Dada and Grandma's. What's in there? What's in there? What's this? Is that candy?
Yo, hold up the basket so I can see it real quick. Forgot what it looked like.
Yeah.